What's up, guys? I got a quick tidbit here for you. This is going to save you a bunch of time and a lot of annoyance. You're having to repeat the same command over and over again. And just in general, it's the right click. So there's right click settings you can edit. If you go to Settings, under the User Preferences tab, this right click customization button, click that. It pulls up this little panel right here. And under default mode, if no objects are selected, right click means check repeat last command. And you're going to do that for edit mode as well, repeat last command. And under command mode, enter. So set it up just like that. If you don't like it, you can go back to the way it was. It's okay. This is just how I like to do it. So now if I enter in a command, let's do the line command. Right? So I start the line command. I click, there's my line segment right there. So if I want to end this command, I can just right click now. Boom. Right click. And if I right click again, it starts the command again. Right click. Right click. So it starts and ends these commands. And it repeats the last command. Right? So if I do a vertical line here, same thing. Right click, boom, I end the command. Right click again, it repeats it. So enjoy that one. Have fun with it.